Today's video, we have the limited edition box Rodial Glossy Box. This has a value of £164. I mean, it's Rodial. Need I say any more? Let's get on with it. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I'm super excited about. I have this. I actually received it 3 or 4 days ago. My son accepted the parcel and didn't tell me that I had a delivery, which is really annoying, but kids are. Yeah, so this is a PR box from GlossyBox, and it is their Rodial box that they are doing at the moment. So let's get straight in here and rip this open. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So I've just been checking on their website, and this box is worth £164. If you are a non-subscriber, this box will cost you £50. That alone is really good value for money. If you are a subscriber, you get £10 off, so you can get this for £40. Again, even better value for money. It's unbelievable. And yeah, one thing you can do is I have a link. I'll put it in the information box and the comment box. If you are not subscribed and you want to get your hands on this and you want to become a subscriber of GlossyBox, click that link, become a subscriber to GlossyBox. With that link, you'll get your first box for £10, which is what you'll be saving on this. So basically you'll be paying £50 for this, but you'll be getting a free monthly box with it too for the first month. And then you just pay the subscription fee monthly after that. Bargain. Be totally clear and transparent. Like I just said, I got this in PR, so I did not pay for this box. This box was very kindly gifted. I was not expecting it at all, so thank you very much, GlossyBox. Now, enough of yibber yabbering. I want to get in here and I want to see exactly what we're getting. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like inside. We have the card here with a QR code that will, once you scan that, it'll give you information on everything that's in here. On the website, it does say our exclusive collection with luxury premium skincare brand Rodial is the perfect introduction to the best-selling Dragon's Blood range. I love the Dragon Blood range. This is super exciting. Giving you smoother, sculpted and more hydrated skin. This box is featuring 5 super effective products. Create a full skincare routine from cleansing to mask to moisturising. Loved by celebrities and A-listers alike, Rodial delivers instant results with long-lasting benefits. Like I said before, it's worth £164. This is GlossyBox and Rodial's limited edition. Brings you the ultimate in skincare, packaged in a stunning red box, which it really is. Really cute. It makes the perfect gift for any skincare lover. This is what it looks like. Let's open this up. And there we go. All the redness. Let's get to it. And this card. And it works because the QR code is in black. Fantastic. First item we have in the box is this. So this is the Dragon's Blood Eye Gel. There's 15 mils in here. This is a full-size product, and wow, this has an RRP of £64. It just says, awaken tired eyes with this cooling gel that refreshes and hydrates puffy under eyes. The Dragon's Blood and hyaluronic acid comforts and restores skin through hydration, whilst Arnica helps to reduce the appearance of under eye puffiness. Apply around the eye area and under the brow bone twice daily. Oh, I am so happy to get this. £64. This is what it looks like. It looks very bougie indeed. You lift that off and then you just squeeze that down and the product comes through the middle there. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave this nice and sealed because I want this oh so fresh when I slap it under my eyes. But I cannot wait to use that. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is the Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask. I don't know why I'm saying Dragon's Blood again because all of this is Dragon's Blood, but never mind. This is 50 mils that you get in here, and this is a deluxe size. It has an RRP of £45. It just says this luxurious face mask helps to nourish and condition, providing comfort to dehydrated and dry skin. Leave skin feeling smooth and soft. The perfect preparation for a plumped complexion. Apply a thin layer to cleanse skin, allow to absorb thoroughly, ideal for use overnight or in flights. Yeah, cool. Very bougie packaging, very nice. So it's a squeezy tube. We have a clear lid there. Oh, what? Oh, I thought that lifts off and that silver bit you squeeze down, but no, I'm totally wrong. But I do like the look of that. That's really cool. It is sealed. Again, guys, I am leaving this sealed because when I use this collection, I want to use it all together as a skincare routine because I want to feel all the benefits. But yeah, that is super cool. The third item in the box is this. So this is the Dragon Blood Sculpting Gel. This is a deluxe size. It has 15 mils in here and it has an RRP of £27. It just says the Rodial Dragon Blood Sculpting Gel helps skin appear firmer and more plumped. The weightless texture helps to comfort and restore skin through hydration. The blend of actives improves the elasticity and firmness, leaving your skin feel toned and plumped. Gently massage into cleanse face and neck and allow to absorb thoroughly. Oh, it looks so cute, nice and little one. Yeah, I think all of these products are going to be sealed, so we're just going to be looking at pretty packaging by the looks of it, so I do apologise. But I will do a video on the Dragon Blood collection. Since I've got so much of it now, we will definitely have to have a little video. I'll use them for a couple of weeks and have a little chat about them. But yeah, fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is the Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. This is a deluxe size which has 100 mils in here, so that's a great deluxe size, isn't it? This has an RRP of £19. It just says Dragon Blood Cleansing Water is a gentle hydrating micellar water for the eyes and face. The addition of hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3 gently cleanses and removes makeup, leaving skin feeling soothed and looking brighter. Guys, I love this. I've actually have a couple of bottles of this in my, well, one of my skincare drawers. Yeah, this is awesome. I've used this in the past and it just feels so nice on the skin. But yeah, really glad to get another one to add to my collection. Fifth and final product we have in the box is this. So this is the Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches. This is a deluxe size, so I take it when you buy them normally you get more than one pair, which is just what this is. But this has an RRP of £9 and it just says soothe and plump and restore hydration with the Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches. The complex of fruit extracts help maintain skin elasticity, whilst hyaluronic acid helps to retain moisture, leaving skin looking hydrated. The perfect prep for your makeup. I love eye masks, absolutely adore them. I like to just stick them on and forget that they're there. You normally leave them on for, what's this one? 20 to 30 minutes. I normally leave them on longer, you know. But yeah, you just whack them on. I either am editing a video or I'm reading a book and then when I remember, then I pop them off. But yeah, Really happy to get those. Definitely going to get very good use out of these. Hey guys, so this is the limited edition Rodial Glossy Box. This box has a value of £164. Personally, I am absolutely freaking loving this box. Yes, it has been gifted and I have not paid for it. I certainly count myself as very, very lucky, and I'm really, really grateful. I always put myself in the position as if I had have bought this myself, would I be happy? Would I feel like I've got my money's worth? And the answer is hell yes. So with a value of £164, because I'm a subscriber, I would have got that for £40. Amazing, amazing. That is great value for money. Even if you aren't a subscriber, you can get that for £50. Again, still great value for money. If you want this box and you've been kind of interested in subscribing, take advantage of the fact, click my link down below, go and make yourself a subscriber. With that link, you'll get your first box for £10. And then you can get this, and because you're a subscriber, you'll get it for £40. So you would have spent £50 on this and anyway if you were going to buy it, but you've just got this and you've got a monthly box with it too. And then after that month, you'll have to pay the monthly cost of the subscription, or you can cancel it any time. Entirely up to you. But wow, I'm over the moon with it. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.